This is a 2011 Dodge Ram 2500. Features include commercial-free satellite radio, a multi-link front suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, a trailer hitch receiver, automatic locking wheel hubs, 17-inch wheels, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, dusk sensing headlights, full power accessories, and this vehicle has less than 29,000 miles. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Rodeo Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 13680 West Test Drive in Goodyear.